Welcome to 5-Minute English. Today we'll learn about topic 127, giving instructions. Step by step. Let's get started. Before we start, here's an interesting trivia question for you. What famous tower in Paris can you visit by taking an elevator step by step to the top? Think about it while we learn.
Great. Now let's dive into today's vocabulary words. Pay attention and practice along.
Start. Begin a process or action.
Example, please start the machine now.
Stop. Cease an action or movement.
Example, you need to stop the car safely.
Turn. Change direction or position.
Example, turn left at the traffic light.
Wait. Stay in one place until something happens.
Example, please wait for your turn.
Follow. Go or come after someone.
Example, follow the instructions carefully.
Check. Examine or verify something.
Example, check your answers before submitting.
Prepare. Make ready for a specific purpose.
Example, prepare the ingredients for the recipe.
Finish. Bring to an end or conclusion.
Example, finish your homework before dinner.
Show. Present or display something.
Example, show me how to do it.
Speak. To say words or talk.
Example, I speak English every day.
Tool. A device used to carry out a function.
Example, use the right tool for the job.
List. A series of items written or printed.
Example, make a list of tasks to complete.
Place. A particular position or area.
Example, this is a great place to relax.
Way. A method or style of doing something.
Example, find a way to solve the problem.
Vocabulary. All the words someone knows.
Example, building vocabulary takes time and practice.
Excellent work. Now let's see these words in action with a real conversation.
Hi B, could you help me with the project? I need to prepare a list of vocabulary.
Of course. First, let's start by gathering our tools.
Great. What should I do next?
After that, check the list and then we can turn the page for the next steps.
All right, should I wait for you to finish?
No, just follow my way. I'll show you what to do as we go.
Sounds good. Let's get started then.
Perfect. Let's speak through each step together.
Wonderful. You're doing great. Time for some fun practice with our quick pronunciation game.
Let's play a quick game. I'll say each of the 15 words, and you repeat after me.
Start. Stop. Turn. Wait. Follow. Check. Prepare. Finish. Show. Speak. Tool. List. Place. Way. Vocabulary.
Here's the answer.
The correct answer is the Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower is a famous landmark in Paris, France. It is tall and made of iron. Many people visit the tower every year.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more 5-Minute English Fast with MD. See you next time.